Hello guys. Today we are going to see how to change the MAC address using the Kali Linux. And so without wasting any time, let's get started. Actually, MAC address stands for Media Access Control Address, and it's a permanent physical and unique address assigned to the network interfaces by the device manufacturer. So if you are having the Ethernet card or any wireless card, each one of these network cards comes up with a specific address that is unique to this card. So there is no two devices in the world would have the same MAC address, and this address will be always same to the specific device. So even if you unplug this device and connect it to the other computer also, the address will be same. And you already know that the IP address is used in the internet to identify the computer and communicate the devices on the internet. And this MAC address is used within the network to identify the devices and transfer the data between the devices. So each piece of data or packet that sent within the network contains a source MAC and the destination MAC. So therefore, the data flows between the source MAC and the destination MAC. So this MAC address is a physical unique address to the each interface and used to identify the devices in the network. And changing this MAC address will increase the anonymity, and you can also impersonate the other devices, and you can bypass the filters, and you can also connect to the network that has only specific devices with a specific MAC address connect to. And you can also able to hide your identity. So without wasting any time, let's change the MAC address using this Kali Linux. So I'll just open this terminal. So here you can see my terminal. So and I will quickly type ifconfig, and my interface is ETH0. And you can see my IP address, and you can see my MAC address here. So in order to change this MAC address for this interface ETH0, first you need to down this interface, and you have to change the MAC address. Again, you have to up the interface. So I will down this interface now. If config ETH0 down. So now the interface ETH0 is down, and I am going to change the MAC address now. Config ETH0 sw and ether. So previously, while I'm checking, so I have given the MAC address as 0011223344 and 55. So now I'm going to give a different MAC address 1223456789 and 10. So I'm giving this MAC address right now to my interface ETH0. So it is executed successfully without getting any errors. So I will just up my interface connection now. So if config up, sorry, if config ETH0, config ETH0 up. So I just up my interface connection. So let's check the MAC address now. If config ETH0. So here you can see my IP address, and here you can see my MAC address. So we have successfully changed our MAC address by using this simple commands. So previously we have discussed that by changing the MAC address, you can increase your anonymity, and you can impersonate the other devices, and You can also bypass the filters, and you can also connect to the network that only specific devices with a specific MAC address can connect. And these are the advantages by changing the MAC address of your interface. And that's it for the video, guys. And if you have learned something by watching this video, press the like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day.